Okay, we have a Grob vertical bandsaw model 4V24, serial number 3067. Machine was new in 1994. It's 24-inch throat depth, 12-inch work height. We're going to run it for you. Machine has variable blade speed in 4 ranges from 40 up to 5,000 feet per minute. Okay. You can see there the 4 different ranges, high, low, and 1 and 2. It's another range. All right. Machine also has air over a hydraulic power table feed. First, we're going to show you the other ranges. There we go. It's the high range. Okay. Yep, that's the blade welder. It works.
No professional.
Okay.
And then this is the
miter gauge. The feed, yes. And it pushes, right.
Yeah.
Exactly. Not much to see, but you can see down there the piston moving. Want to do it one more time? You can see the.
Sure.
You see it.
It's right on there here. It's going back. And it's going with using this part.
Right. Okay. Thank you for watching our video.